Hey guys, it's me again, and welcome to Blue Zircon Energy channel. Again, my little gems. Okay, so anyway, I went ahead and did a little prep. We're gonna make some Spanish style guacamole, and I don't have any tomatoes that I could dice up. That would be really good because you can make kind of chunky guacamole, and that's really good. But I don't have any, so I can't do it this particular video. So I went ahead and took. I peeled 2 avocados so far, and I've kept the last one for you to show you an easy way how to cut an avocado. If you want to zoom in, Nicole, you take it like this. You wash it real good with soap because you don't want to bring any germs into the avocado when you cut it. So you go on the side. Be really careful, and you twist it like that. And then if you have a big one, you can take a knife and just kind of go in and turn it, or you can go like that and take it out. So then go like this and you pop it right out like that. Comes right out when they're ripe. And then you take a fork and you mash it up like this till it's all the way done. It's really easy. These are pretty ripe avocados too. It's so easy to make guacamole. But if you had, I wish I had some, got on my thumb. I wish I had some tomatoes so I could show you how to put that in there. But you just imagine you dice tomatoes and you add it to it. Now that was about 3 avocados that were ripe. I don't like to make mine really creamy. I like them to have a little bit of texture to it. And you add a little bit of salt, maybe like a teaspoon or something like that. Just kind of gauge it, keep tasting it. Let me grab a napkin. A napkin's just about it. Excuse me. Because I got guacamole on my hands. Okay, so we've put salt. You don't have to put pepper. It's not really something you usually put in there, but I'm going to put just a touch. You put that's probably about a tablespoon lemon juice. And then I like to put some cilantro in mine too. So let's not put much stems at all. You have to do it really fine. Make them really fine. Like that. Okay. Let's put it in there. And what else we need? Stir it. How's it look on consistency, Nicole?
Excellent.
And before you ever give like any food to anybody, you always should taste it. That's actually almost perfect. A little bit more salt. And because it's mine, I can dip it in. I double dip it. Nicole's gonna taste it for me, and so is my dad, because he's here. He's the official taster too. Nicole, you want to taste it?
Yeah. Give me 1 sec.
I'm tasting. All right, you on, girl?
Come on.
You on? Let's see how you like it. Okay, she's gonna officially taste it. Tell me how it is.
Oh man, that's so good.
Good.
Excellent.
All right, so here you go, girl. Take the camera for me. Okay, so Nicole just tasted it, and she said it was excellent. We're gonna let Daddy. That's what I call him, Daddy. We're gonna let him taste it. A little tiny chip because he don't want the carbs. We're gonna get a tiny little chip, and we're gonna let him taste it. Let's walk in here and let him taste it. All right, Daddy, you're on video. Nicole, taste the guacamole. I gave you an itty bitty one.
So all right. Y'all want me to eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We want
Is
to
it
see
supposed to be good?
It's excellent.
We want your reaction.
Oh,
It's amazing.
Y'all sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
You like it? Does it need anything? Need salt?
All I know is it needs a mouth.
Anyway, that's how you make Mexican guacamole. And that's how you
Oh, Kitty, I'm sorry. Oh, Kitty.
And that's how you
Kitty,
make cat's
baby.
tail.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe
Jay?
and like. Thank you.